This video is not meant to replace Installation Manual 845689. It is merely meant to give an overview of the information contained there. Please refer to the instruction manual for full details. It also does not cover the basic installation steps for the ASI refrigerators, including panel preparation and side trim installation. Please refer to the ASI install manual for those steps. The install kit shown in this video is Kit 24641. Before beginning, open the install kit and ensure all specified components are present. Also, measure the cabinet opening to verify that it is the appropriate dimensions. Remove the hinge bracket from the non-hinge side of each refrigerator and replace it with the alcove bracket, as seen here. Connect the top joiner bracket to the alcove fixing bracket with the supplied M5 by 12 socket cap screws. For 80-inch installations, use the upper slots and the lower slots for 84-inch installations. Be sure the bracket can move freely up and down. Measure the width of the alcove and make a mark in the center as seen here. For a flush installation, measure back 4 1/4 inches from the front of the cabinetry. Mount the bracket with the front edge of the bracket on this line, as seen here. Fasten with the supplied washer screws. Move the right refrigerator into place against the top bracket. And then the left refrigerator. Note, open the right refrigerator door to protect it while sliding the left refrigerator into position. Ensure the refrigerators sit flush with the cabinetry. If not, make adjustments to the bracket and panels as explained in the ASI installation manual. Now carefully pull the left refrigerator from the alcove and tighten the top bracket in alignment with the right refrigerator as seen here. Slide the left refrigerator back into position, being careful with the door panels, and attach both refrigerators to the top joiner bracket. Unscrew the M10 by 65 socket cap screws from the base of both refrigerators. Attach the bottom joiner bracket as shown in the illustration with the same screws. Be sure to secure the refrigerators to the cabinetry as per the ASI installation manual. Attach the supplied foam pads to the top, middle, and bottom sides of both refrigerators as seen here. Insert the spring clips into the center trim as shown in the installation and corresponding to the foam pad locations on the refrigerators. Press the center trim piece into position, ensuring a tight fit from top to bottom. When properly installed, the joiner kit will create the stylish look of a single integrated refrigerator. Again, for more detailed information, please refer to the Installation Manual 845689.